Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys network problem how to fix. Friends, you have Infinix mobile phone mobile network problem, Wi-Fi network problem, and friends Bluetooth network problem. So how to fix network problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone settings, friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, scroll it and friends click here system setting. After on system setting, friends, you can see reset option. Friends, click here reset, and friends click here Wi-Fi setting reset mobile network and Bluetooth setting reset setting. Click here and friends reset. Friends, you can see please wait. After 4 and 5 seconds, setting has been resetted, and friends come back, and friends now you can use your Infinix mobile guys phone mobile network Bluetooth setting. Friends, you want to connect any Bluetooth device, so you can connect device without any problem. And friends, click here Wi-Fi setting. Friends, Wi-Fi will on automatic, and guys which network you want to connect in your device guys, select your network, and friends you can connect any Wi-Fi network without any problem. Enter Wi-Fi network password, you can check password. Connect option, friends, you can see Wi-Fi network connect without any problem. And friends, easily we can use Wi-Fi in Infinix mobile. So like that friends, we can solve Infinix mobile Wi-Fi network problem. Friends, again you have any problems, so friends you can power off your phone, and after power off friends, after 4 and 5 minutes you can power on your phone, and you can use your phone network. So like that friends, we can fix network problem in Infinix mobile from system setting, reset option setting. Click here reset your setting, and you can check your mobile network, Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth network setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching.